Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the American Express, the rose gold edition, and also like for people who want also to get a proof of 50,000 point, I'm gonna put a link down below so you can go over there and then you can find 6,000 point on my referral account and place okay, all right, let's go over it. So to unbox this one is just like this. Then this is what it's inside. This is what it look like inside. Yeah, this is what it look inside. I just put the tape over here just to hide my address, and then you see this from this box. There's also another box right here, so you just click over here and go. All right, then you open it. Right here, and there's another just a right box right here, so you don't need this one also. So this is what it look like inside the box right here, and let me flip it for you. Like right here, have you see, and then when you flip it over here, then you see Amex Express over here. Then you also see the UR golden on the front over here. Then you open it slowly right here, and when you open it, then look over here. Then this is also another envelope you have to open. So to open this envelope, you came over here right here. I mean, I'm so excited about this card. It's the new gold edition. The rose pink one is gonna go very well with my iPhone. Oh yeah. You open it like this. Then this is gonna be term and condition on the box right here. And yeah. So now I have you see right here. Then this is just the terms and condition. I'm not interested in reading this one. All right, as you see over here, guys, and then this is my APR. Yeah, because it's a short card, but for me I get like some APR promotion that I can keep balance. But this is, I don't usually keep balance on my credit card whatsoever. I always pay it every month in full. That's I always be recommend for all guys who are applying for this card. And then right here, look guys, this is what it look like inside. So I'm gonna take off the card and show you what it's look like now. So this is card. So I just put a sticker over here just to hide my information for personal information. This is what the back card look like over here, have you see, and then you stick up the sticker over here. You don't need this sticker. Yeah, do you see it over here on my light? It's a rose gold metal. Yeah, it looks very awesome, I can tell you guys. But don't forget guys to go down link to go to link description below. I'm gonna put my referral over there. You can get this card with 50,000 point, but for the normal sign up bonus for this one is only 25, but you can double it with 50,000 points just by using my referral link. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.